Have you ever felt like you're juggling a dozen spinning plates? Terrified that if you look away for even a second, they'll all come crashing down? That feeling of needing to control every single outcome, every detail, every person's opinion. I've been there. It's exhausting, isn't it? It feels like you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders. But what if I told you that true strength and true freedom isn't found in holding on tighter, but in learning how to let go? We're often taught that success means having everything under control. We plan our careers, our weekends, even our conversations, trying to steer everything toward a perfect, predetermined result. But life has a funny way of ignoring our perfectly laid plans. A sudden rainstorm ruins the picnic. A project at work takes an unexpected turn. A friend doesn't react the way we thought they would. And when these things happen, our instinct is to grip harder, to force things back on track. This struggle, this constant resistance against the natural flow of life, is the source of so much of our stress and anxiety. It's like trying to command the ocean waves. You can't. You can only learn to surf. The art of letting go is exactly that, learning to surf the waves of life instead of fighting them. It's about accepting that some things are simply outside of our control. And here's the paradox. The moment you stop trying to control everything, you gain a new kind of power. You free up so much mental and emotional energy that was once wasted on worrying about the what-ifs. You start to see opportunities where you once saw problems. You become more present, more adaptable, and surprisingly, more effective. Think about it. When you're not obsessing over a specific outcome, you can respond to what's actually happening in the moment. Instead of being rigid and brittle, you become flexible and resilient. A conversation becomes a genuine exchange, not a script you're trying to follow. A setback at work becomes a chance to innovate and find a creative solution. Letting go doesn't mean giving up. It's not about being passive or apathetic. It's an active choice. It's the choice to trust. Trust in your ability to handle whatever comes your way. Trust that even if things don't go exactly as planned, you'll be okay. In fact, you might even find a better path. So how do we start? It begins with small steps. Start by noticing when you're trying to control something. Just observe that feeling of tightness in your chest or that loop of worried thoughts. Take a deep breath and consciously release that grip. Maybe it's letting a friend choose the restaurant or not micromanaging a team member's task. Or maybe it's accepting a compliment without deflecting it, or forgiving yourself for a mistake you made yesterday. Each time you consciously choose to release control, you're building a muscle. You're teaching yourself that it's safe to let go. Remember, freedom isn't a destination you arrive at. It's a way of traveling. It's the lightness that comes from putting down a heavy bag you didn't even realize you were carrying. Your true power lies not in controlling the world around you, but in mastering your response to it. When you release the need to control every detail, you give yourself the greatest gift of all, the freedom to simply be. Thank you so much for joining me today. If this message resonated with you, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on living a freer, more authentic life. See you in the next one.